Okay, so this is going to be the first breaking trail with the snowmobile, and as you can see, the trees got a lot of snow on them now. Everything looks pretty white. We got about a foot of snow here in the last 2 days. Snowed all day Tuesday. Snowed from Tuesday morning all the way until Wednesday morning. Around 8 o'clock it quit snowing Wednesday morning. Here it's Thursday today, not much, no snow today, just gloomy outside, but I'm gonna go cut the trails because I'm gonna need to still cut wood, so that's where we'll be heading, straight over there behind that chicken house, heading to the woods. Okay. All right, so we're getting ready to hit it. Right now it's not too bad. There's only 12 inches of snow, so snowmobile ride's pretty easy through 12 inches of snow. But you put much more out here. We got quite a few animal tracks out here. You put quite a bit more snow out here, and yeah, it gets a little more difficult, but it's not too bad. Not yet, anyway. Not yet. So. But I'm just trying to cut this trail. Hopefully it hardens up, because when I pull the sled, I ain't got no brakes on this snowmobile. For some reason my brakes ain't working good, but still pretty, I'll need to get them fixed before I, otherwise it'd be a pretty sketchy ride down every time, but yeah, so far not too bad. But yeah, we're just gonna cut a few of these trails, not too many. The trails are all, some of them lean one way, and because of the four-wheeler traveling in here, and there's not enough snow yet to really, I mean there's enough snow, but not enough to fill in them crevices. So I'm having to ride on one side of the snowmobile. So, but yeah, I usually ride anyway with one knee on the snowmobile, one knee on the snowmobile, one on the platform for your feet. So. It doesn't look like there's too much traveling around down here. I gotta turn on the hand warmers. My hands are cold already. Not very cold out today. It's around 23, but when you're riding on a snowmobile, it's cold. I guess I'll just turn around right here. Well, I think I'm going to turn around here as long as I don't get stuck. There we go. Right now it's kind of shallow, the snow, but sometimes it's a hassle. Come on, go in reverse. Come on. I don't know what's going on. It's not going in reverse. don't want to have to cut through these woods, but I might have to. Not going in reverse. Huh. I don't know why. Let me turn it off and turn it back on again. Maybe that'll reset the reverse. I don't know. Nope. This snowmobile is too heavy to. Let me get off and look and see if I can go around these trees. Yeah, I think I can. I think I can. We should be able to. Go that way. I know I got a trail over here. Just got to find a place to get over to it. Whoop. Almost got stuck in that log. If the snow was any deeper, we probably would have got stuck. I'm gonna have to check this reverse. But yeah, we just had to cut through to. I'm gonna have to call this trip early because I got to make sure my reverse is working. This sled's too heavy to not being able to reverse it. So, and everywhere you go, you're gonna have to make sure you're turning around or able to turn around. You get stuck, you're gonna have to be able to back up. So. I don't know why it's not working, honestly. Don't know why. It was working earlier. You see me back up the first time, but yeah. I guess we'll just have to head back to the house and figure things out from there. I used to have a snowmobile just like this one. I sold my old one because I dropped a tree on the corner of it. So this snowmobile is an exact duplicate of what I had before. Same year, same everything. The problem is my old snowmobile never had problems with reverse, nothing. This one, all kinds of problems with the reverse. So I don't really know, but every year I got some kind of fight with that reverse. So I'm gonna have to check it and see what's going on with it before I can go back down there again. Pretty important to have this snowmobile though, and I'd hate to send it to the garage, Arctic Cat dealer down in Anchorage, because they might have this baby all winter. I don't know, you know. Everybody's probably bringing their sleds in to get stuff fixed and, you know, getting ready for the winter, and everybody waits till the last minute. So, I mean, I didn't pull it out of the garage. I just waited until, you know, it was the day. I mean, I checked everything to make sure it was working okay, and I didn't have a problem, so I wasn't too worried. I backed out of the garage because it's the only way to get it out of the garage. So, but anyway, so I don't know what's going on. Well, we'll figure it out. Not a big deal. That snow's kind of soft. I was spinning going up that hill. So once that trail hardens up some, it won't be so bad. We'll let it set up a couple nights, and then I'll cut trail other places. But right now, that's the best we can do. We got to make sure our poor snowmobile will go in reverse. So. back at the shed. Yeah, it's not going in reverse. So I'll run the heater on it tomorrow. Maybe it's frozen. I'll run the salamander on it today or tomorrow. Maybe it's frozen. We'll see. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it.